Well, with this, once again, annual distribution for 2% money in Isabella County, we had 54 requests from the county and governments. We had 246 requests from the schools for a total of 300 requests. To bring you up to speed, in Saguenay yesterday, we had 49 requests for government. We had 70 for schools. So we're at 419 requests for the fall distribution. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a tremendous amount of work for Tribal Council. When they look at these and they try to prioritize and do what they can, hats off to them because of the work they do. It's an arduous task, and they do it with a good spirit, and they do it eager and willing to help out as much as they can. Understand, 2% in the spirit of it was to alleviate the impact of what we do here at the tribe and what our businesses do. We try to make sure that those distributions are given to alleviate that footprint, or if you will. And council does the best they can to make sure that the decisions they make are the most appropriate decisions. And so I'd applaud them for their efforts, and thank you very much for your hard work and dedication to each council member. It's an exciting time. We're going to give out $2,280,623.23 today. Yesterday we gave away over $670,000 in Aranet County. So it's an indication that it isn't as strong as it's always been, but at least we're still profitable, and that's good for you folks. That's good for us, and blessings on our communities as a whole. That's for sure. But enough of that. Enough with the housekeeping and all the how do you do's. I'm going to ask our chief, Dennis Key, to come up and say a few words. Dennis.
Good morning. I don't have too much to say, except I think Frank's lucky for getting the 7 inches of snow. Wondering where ours was. The council there, when we go over these requests, like we look at every one of them, and there's so many requests that we'd love to make it come to pass, and we just can't. If it was up to me, I'd just spread out everything, but I guess that's not the way to do it, I guess. So anyway, it's good to see you guys out, everybody out this morning again. We so far over the years, what is it now? Like 239 million dollars it's been gave back to the local communities and stuff. And I'm sure about every dollar of it has been put to good use. So thanks everyone for coming out, and hopefully everyone has a good holidays coming up, and hopefully everyone had a good happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.
The chief brings up a good point. When you look at the grand totals since the spring of 1994, that's quite an impact in our communities.